Arcano Studios.
LTASC. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going. Some sounds are short, which is Janesco's pooping sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Roxana Lovely's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects are really long, like Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
Oh, hi, the Darker Lord's wife Markov Yuri here again. I am going to test the farting sound effect from Blueberry and Pink, just like I told Loneliness Oswald said. Ow, I think testing the farting sound effect without the video proof causes my poop to be stuck and it will not come out. But anyways, it's from a video called Gacha Poop. Note, the music will be removed at the beginning, and the explosion sound effect will be removed at the end. I'm gonna try again one more time with the video proof on. It feels so good to have a video proof and test the farting sound effect from Blueberry and Pink, And also, I tested the pooping sound effect from Gacha Heat. Again, just like in Season 1 Episode 4. And one more thing. The sound effect starts at 0:14 and ends at 0:33.